Never let go of me.
Hey guys, how's it going today? It's CryptoGal, and today is a very exciting day for Theta and TFUEL fans out there because the first TNT20 token has launched on the Theta subchain. Today is the May 10th, so today we're gonna get the Lavita token, and this video is gonna be dedicated on how to purchase Lavita because as of now, Lavita is not obtainable on exchanges.
Okay.
It's only obtainable on Metamask via Metamask. So this guide is going to be a guide on how to obtain it for those who don't know how to use Metamask yet, because it may be a little bit frustrating at the start. Some details that we can know about Lavita is it's going to have a total supply of 8 billion Lavita tokens, in which 1.2 billions out of those 8 billions are going to be rewards for staking Lavita as well, I believe, as well as Theta. If you're staking Theta, you may receive Lavita as an airdrop later in the future. A total supply of 8 billion Lavita out there. So this video is going to be dedicated on how to purchase Lavita. Now, firstly, we are going to before we begin, I added a step-by-step guide here on the Discord. I'm gonna provide you with the link on for our Discord if you're not in yet. I also provided with a step-to-step guide on Twitter if you haven't seen it yet. So first, step one, we need to add the Theta network mainnet to the MetaMask. We're gonna do that right here. We go first to our MetaMask wallet by pressing the Fox. So by default, we're gonna be on the Ethereum mainnet. And I already have Theta mainnet added here. So what we want to is add this and be able to switch to the Theta mainnet at any given time. If you don't have it added yet, we're gonna need to go to add a network. It's gonna take us to here, and then here we add a network manually. We're gonna have to input this data. I provided with this information on our Discord, and I obtained this information here. It's this one. I obtained this information from the official Theta website, but we're gonna use it in here. So yeah, this is the same information provided in here, as you can see. So now we're gonna have to input it in here. I'll just copy paste. Since I already have it added, the save won't show up, but you're gonna have to press save. Once added, it's gonna take us, we're gonna see the Theta mainnet enabled. We now switch to the Theta mainnet, and now what we want is to add the Lavita ticker in here. We go to import tokens now, and I also have this information on my Discord, and I obtained the contract for Lavita on the Medium website. Here's the Medium website, which provided the details for the Lavita tokens. It's the same information I have in here. So now we have to input information. Here it's Lavita 18. And we add the token address. Once we put the information, we add custom tokens. Since I already have it added, it won't show up. But now, once it's added in here, we now have to buy Lavita. How do we buy it? There's only two ways right now to do it. I'm not sure if there's other ways right now, as of now, May the 10th. But the best options you can obtain it right now, it's gonna be on ThetaSwap and on Voltswap. I personally bought mine on Voltswap, but you can choose one of your liking. So I went to voltswap.com. Once on Voltswap, you just press trade. Once in here, you're gonna have to switch from TFUEL to Lavita. To be able to purchase Lavita, you're gonna need TFUEL for it first. So from your exchange, you're gonna have to transfer some TFUEL to your MetaMask wallet to buy Lavita. And as of now, I only have $73 worth of TFUEL because I already purchased some Lavita. So I'm gonna just do an example in here with the few I have. I would recommend you not press max and always leave like 100 TFUEL as a spare, because you're gonna need that TFUEL for fees. So in this case, I will buy 50. I have 73, but I will leave 23 for the fees, which could get me 117 Lavita right now. Once I'm ready, I'll just press swap. It's gonna take me to the MetaMask and to MetaMask again. And here I press reject or confirm. In this case, I don't want to purchase because I need this money for the fees, so I'm gonna reject it. But in your case, you're gonna press confirm. Once confirmed, it's gonna take you here, and that's it. You purchase some Lavita token right now. This is gonna be the same guide for the future subchains that are gonna come in the future. So it's just gonna be different tokens, but the same process. And yeah, so now a bit about Lavita, going to the Lavita fundamentals. So what is Lavita? Lavita claims to be the first private health data marketplace powered by AI. Claims to be a healthcare platform as well. And as of now, the price of Lavita, which we can see on Voltswap, I'm gonna refresh it right now. When we made the guide, the price of Lavita was 0.16. It's already at 0.2. It went as high as 0.22, which is like a 30% increase ever since we made our guide.
Nice.
I'm kind of late on the video. I'm sorry for that. But I made a guide on the Discord. So I'm gonna keep on doing future guides for the next subchains that come for all of you guys who don't know how to use MetaChain yet. I'm sorry, MetaMask yet. But yeah, so as of now, it's been like a 30% increase. I'm expecting it to go higher when major exchanges come in, because as of now, it's only obtainable by MetaMask. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm hoping it goes to other major exchanges like KuCoin, Mask, Gate.io, or even Binance. So I believe that's the opportunity. There's not much liquidity on Voltswap. There's like a 73,000 liquidity yet, and only 331 transactions. Personally, I allocated a bit of my money. I bought like $1,400 of it, and I want to see how it goes. And that's it, guys. Have a nice day.
And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in
Never let go of me.